It's a bright sunny Saturday morning and we are off to Knowsley Safari Park. This place is accessible by public transport as well as private transport, so you don't have to worry about it.
That's correct, yeah.
So that's your ticket for the bus.
Okay.
So when you get into the car park,
Right.
You can easily park your car in this huge car park. We had light breakfast when we left, so now actually we're very hungry, so we're just going inside to this beautiful place. They have a variety of food available and we're quickly going to eat something. You can choose to eat your food inside or you can also bring it outside and enjoy the weather and your meal. We actually sat outside. Bring your backpack with you. It's very important to keep all the essentials when you're coming to this place. We've kept water bottles, snacks, sanitizers, some extra pullovers, cardigans in case we feel cold. You can bring your kids along. There are so many rides available here. We're not going on them because we don't have kids with us. So now from here we're going to go to, let's have a walk around and then we'll find the Baboon bus and start our safari. There's time for us before the Baboon bus tour starts, so we're actually going to the foot safari, and this place doesn't require a separate ticket, so you can enjoy the wildlife for free. Spot giraffes. If you want to buy tickets for the rides, you can buy them from here. And this is the bus stop, the Baboon bus stop for which we are waiting right now. It's going to start at 2. We have 20 minutes.
Section here, but it looks like everything's at the end for now. That's about right. Zebra's on the left. Perfect. So let's start with our camels on the right side. So we have Bactrian camels here. 19 months gestation period. So even if they do get pregnant soon, it's a long time. 18. Yeah, it's a long time.
Each zebra has its own unique striped pattern. This means that no two zebras in the world are ever the same. Isn't that interesting? I just got to know. There are about 90 species of antelope remaining in this world, out of which 15 of them are endangered. In 2015, a mysterious disease wiped out more than half of these species that were remaining on this earth. Thanks to the wildlife conservation efforts, that now these antelopes have been recovered from the brink of extinction. Now comes the fun part because we are entering the baboon area.
So they're called the nil guy. The boys are these little ones, so this guy here with the horns and the one over here as well.
We're entering the lions area.
Along with big man. With the lion on top.
So we completed the bus ride and we wanted to explore more. So now we are inside our car and we're going to go for another round. Don't forget to keep snacks with you. You might feel hungry. Bye. So we're going to say bye to the ostrich. So if you have a car, I suggest you take your car and then roam around because it's better than the bus. For the baboons, I guess, because the baboons come on top of your car and they try to scratch the screen and the wipers, so you might be a little skeptical of what to do. Then in that case you might take a bus, but otherwise this whole experience is worth only if you take your own car, so that you can stop at places where you want to stop at and enjoy it the way you want to do it. You can go around the safari as many times as you like, and I am very happy that we made this decision to go for another round. We're back from the drive-thru and now we are here to explore more of this place.
Actually late ना होता है इसमें, sorry.
Give a big round of applause. He's saying it because that's a terrible. So, lots of people know that sea lions can do this. The minute that these guys think an enemy is anywhere in the area, the first thing that they'll do is they'll swim back to the beach where they're nice and safe. Well, give them a big round of applause for Sean. Ready, for tricky one. Here it comes. Up. Give him a big round of applause. That was a good rally. And we can run. Hey, go! He's away. It's him. Well done, that's the job. Well done, buddy. He's in as well.
This was quite a wobbly bridge, but I had to cross it in order to go see the next part of the safari. I have never ever been so close to a tiger ever in my life. Hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And also don't forget to click on the video appearing on your screen to see how I've picked strawberries straight from the farm. Take lots of care. Bye bye.